How to see the distance between two places in Google Maps. I'm going to show you how you can easily see the distance between two places in Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your mobile device. You can start by selecting a location on the map. Simply tap and hold on the map to drop a pin at your desired starting point. Then zoom in on the location to get a better view and tap on the dropped pin. A small menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Next, swipe up on the menu and tap on the option that says Measure Distance. Now, you can move the map to set the second point if you want to measure the distance between multiple locations. As you adjust the points, you will notice that Google Maps automatically calculates and displays the distance between the selected locations in the measurement unit of your preference. Once you've finished measuring, you can see the exact distance between the two places.